All right, guys. In this lesson, we want to know if it's possible to get the logarithm of a negative number. Is it really possible? So right here in this video, we're going to find out and we're going to come to a conclusion what the possibility is in finding the logarithm of a negative number. So if this interests you, kindly stay to the end of this video and tell me what you learned in the comment section below. So guys, before we even get started with the logarithm of a negative number, I think it makes sense to talk about what logarithm really is. So for example, if you have log 27 base 3, what it all means is that this here is called the input and this here is called the base. So we want to know what power can we raise this base to so we get the input. In other words, 3 raised to power what will give us 27. Of course, you know, 3 raised to power 1, of course, is 3. 3 raised to power 2 is 9. And 3 raised to power 3, that is 27, right? So, because we know that 3 raised to power 3 will give us 27, then this is the solution to this problem. Just like that, just like that. Now, let me give you another example so you see this stuff really clear. So, if I have log, let's say 16 base 2, now, what you're looking out for is what power would you raise the base to so you get 16? 2 raised power what will give us 16? Of course, you know it's 4. So that's how simple it is, or that is what logarithm is all about. But then, we can actually solve all of this problem in a different way. For example, if I have log 27 base 3, I could decide to say, let this be equal to y. Of course, if you can get the value of y, then we know what the solution is, right? So I've just translated the logarithmic expression to an equation. Now, so to get rid of this logarithm right here to get the value of y, I can take the base 3 for both sides. So that this 3 can take off this log 3, and then I have 27 right here equal to 3 to the power y. You see, I've just removed the logarithm by taking the base 3. So if I had 4 here, I would have taken the base 4. You get it? But you know, 3 is the same as, 27 is the same as 3 to the power 3. So that is now 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power y. And you cancel out the base, of course, y is equal to 3. Same answer. You can do the same for this guy right here, and you still get the same result. So now, you know what it is to find the logarithm of a number. So let us quickly move over to a negative input. Now, for example, if I have log, let's say minus 27 base 3. So remember, I want to know if it's possible to get a logarithm of a negative number. So this right here is a negative number. This is a clear example. Let's see if it's possible. Now, 3 raised power what would give you negative 27? Is it possible to raise 3 to a certain number to get a negative result? In other words, 3 raised power what will give you negative 27? Is it possible to raise a positive number to any power so that you get a negative number? Let us see. 3 raised power 3 will give us 27 and not negative 27. What if the power here is negative? 3 raised power minus 3 will not still give us negative 27. Rather, it will give us 1 over 27. Even if we raise 3 to the power 1 over 3, or whatever it is, you're not still going to get a negative number. It's still going to be the 3 cube root of 3, which will be maybe a little number that is positive, but maybe very tiny. So, in other words, there is no such number you can raise 3 to, so you get a negative 27. In fact, you cannot even raise a positive number to any power and get a negative result. So it's not possible. So let me still share another example. If we have log, let's say minus 16 base 2. Now, is there any number you can raise the base to so you get negative 16? In other words, 2 raised by what number will give us minus 16? Can we find such a number that you can raise 2 to so we get a negative 16? It's not possible, guys. It's not possible. So because of that concept, we can now come to a conclusion that it's not possible to get the logarithm of a negative number. So guys, I don't know what you think about this particular video. If I've been able to help you understand whether or not it's possible to find the logarithm of a negative number, please let me know in the comment section. That's going to help me a lot. And if you're just joining us here in this channel and you find this very video interesting, you can just subscribe so that you can get more of our videos whenever we upload during the week. So thank you very much for your time and for watching. I want to see you next time in our next video. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye-bye.